Hello guys, welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to have a look at a Bitcoin pattern that we are seeing right now in the chart, but especially a pattern that we are seeing forming right here in the shorter term time frame, where Bitcoin most likely is going to break out to very soon, either to the downside or we might even see that breakout to the upside. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump straight into it. And yeah, what we are seeing right here, guys, is that Bitcoin could be trading in a bigger rising wedge formation. And when we are zooming in on the price action right now, we can see that we have a uptrending support coming in that falling wedge formation as well. And this is going to be very interesting because this smaller pattern right here is going to show us most likely what Bitcoin is going to do in the next breakout. So if we were to lose the uptrending support right here, chances are significantly increasing that we are going to come down to test the lows right here, the lows of the correction that we have seen so far, but even to come slightly lower to test the descending or declining support from this bigger falling wedge formation. That would be if we would break the support right here, which is right now at $42,200. Of course, the further in time we would meet that potential level, that potential support, the higher that level is, as this is a dynamic level, of course. And the other way, the opposite is actually true as well. If we were to break above the declining resistance that we are seeing right now, which right now would be roughly right here at approximately $45,000, then of course the next major level is 45,700. This is a very important level due to the fact that it has been former support in this formation. So it would make sense to get some form of a reaction from this level, but it also would make sense, guys, if we can break that level, that Bitcoin can start a nice rally. 45,700 is going to be a very important level. So what it is going to be? Well, right now I would say we have to wait for Bitcoin in order to choose a direction of breakout, right? Either we lose that support or we are going to break the resistance. And like I've been pointing out in my previous videos, guys, I have some reasons to believe why I'm actually quite bullish on Bitcoin. And one of the reasons is that we have negative funding rates, as we can see right here in the funding rate indicator. We got a bullish divergence on the MACD, which is quite a bullish signal. Normally one of the first signals you want to see when we are seeing a trend reversal. So those are the signs that are actually bullish, but that doesn't, or actually that wouldn't stop Bitcoin from, for example, making another drop right here, but continue to trade within this formation and break out to the upside later. So that's why, guys, it's very important that you wait and sit tight until Bitcoin is actually seeing the breakout, until we have confirmation, and then we can act accordingly. But I would say generally these levels for Bitcoin are actually levels that you want to accumulate Bitcoin, and there's a lot of bullish signs in the background. Although we are not yet seeing that expressed in the price, there are a lot of bullish signs boiling up in the background, similar as we have seen right here. Bitcoin was consolidating right here, and it all took a little bit longer than expected. But here we also had a lot of bullish signs, similar signals that we are seeing right here. For example, negative funding rates, divergence in the MACD on the daily time frame, and eventually we had a massive rally from the lows. We had a rally of approximately 135%. So guys, this is what I'm watching in the Bitcoin chart right now. Bitcoin is getting squeezed between resistance, declining resistance right here, declining support, but also this smaller uptrending support, and we are going to see a breakout out of this smaller formation right here this week, which is going to be very interesting. Breakout to the downside, could be retesting the lows and maybe even drop lower and test the declining support, which is right now at roughly $39,000, but also dynamic number. The further in time we would reach this level, the lower this level actually is. However, do take in mind, I think there are a lot of bullish signs as well right now in Bitcoin, which we shouldn't ignore. Bullish divergences. Majority of the people out there are shorting Bitcoin. We can see it right here on the funding rates in BitMEX. We have quite a negative funding rate right now, showing us that the majority is short. And if we look at the funding rates across multiple exchanges, then we can see Bybit also have negative funding rates. We can see it on FTX as well. The majority of the traders out there are shorting Bitcoin, which normally, if we have a look at historical price action, was actually a bullish sign. So in the majority of the times when we are seeing a longer period of times negative funding rates, eventually the price tends to go up from these levels instead of breaking down. So guys, that is what I'm watching right now in Bitcoin. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think Bitcoin will break out right here to the upside, or do you think that Bitcoin will break out right here to the downside this week? Then guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to smash up the like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for all the traders out there who are interested in trading crypto on the spot market or with leverage, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. And the biggest and most used exchange is Bybit, where you can claim a major bonus of $4,100 using the link down below, and meeting the deposit requirements, of course. So for everybody interested in that, you can find all of the information and links down below this video. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you a awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.